An EPS warning light on your dashboard indicates a potential issue with your vehicle's electric power steering system. This warning should never be ignored, as it could compromise your ability to steer effectively. To understand EPS warning lights, we need to look at the electric power steering system components. The system includes an electric motor, electronic control unit, torque sensor, and steering angle sensor. The most common triggers for EPS warning lights include torque sensor malfunctions, motor circuit failures, ECU communication errors, voltage irregularities, and steering angle sensor misalignment. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic capabilities, including OBD integration and wireless diagnostic tools. These provide specific fault codes for precise troubleshooting of EPS issues. While all EPS systems retain backup manual steering capability, ignoring the warning light is not advisable. The effort required to steer will be significantly higher, and professional diagnosis is recommended due to system complexity. When dealing with EPS warning lights, there are 3 primary reset methods you can try before moving to advanced repairs. These basic methods often resolve common issues and should be attempted first. The first method is a battery disconnect reset. This clears the EPS system's memory and allows it to relearn normal operating parameters. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 30 minutes, then reconnect and perform the steering wheel relearn procedure. The second method is an ignition cycle reset. This procedure helps the EPS system relearn the steering wheel's center position and range of motion. Perform this with the ignition on, but engine off, cycling the steering wheel through its full range multiple times. The third method uses a professional scan tool for the most comprehensive reset. This allows you to clear specific fault codes, perform precise calibrations, and verify that all systems are functioning correctly after the reset procedure. When basic reset methods fail to resolve the EPS warning light, advanced repair procedures may be necessary. These require specialized tools and technical knowledge, but can address more serious system faults. Understanding the EPS system components is crucial for advanced repairs. The system includes torque sensors, steering angle sensors, the electric motor, and the electronic control unit, all working together to provide power steering assistance. Torque sensor calibration is critical for proper EPS operation. The vehicle must be on a level surface with wheels straight ahead. Using a professional scan tool, access the calibration menu and follow the specific sequence for your vehicle. Sensor readings must be within plus or minus 5 degrees of specification. Motor replacement is the most complex EPS repair. It requires removing steering column covers to access the motor assembly. After disconnecting electrical connectors and removing mounting bolts, install the new motor using manufacturer-specified torque values. A complete system relearn and calibration is mandatory after motor replacement. Proper calibration is essential after any EPS repair. Always perform a complete system scan before beginning work and calibrate steering sensors after any suspension-related repairs. Following manufacturer-specific procedures ensures reliable repairs and customer safety. Verify all systems are functioning correctly before returning the vehicle to service. Remember that EPS systems are critical safety components. When basic reset methods fail, professional diagnosis and repair using proper tools and procedures is essential for vehicle safety and reliability.